Migrating to Google Analytics Tracking ID is a crucial step for businesses and website owners to track and analyze their online presence effectively. This guide provides a step-by-step approach to help you migrate to Google Analytics Tracking ID. First, you need to create a Google Analytics account if you don't have one already. Go to the Google Analytics website and sign up with your Google account. Fill in the required information such as website name, URL, and industry category. Next, you need to set up a property in Google Analytics. A property represents your website or app and is where you will get your tracking ID from. To set up a property, click on the Admin tab and select Create Property. Enter your website name and URL and click Next. Then, you will get your tracking ID, which is a unique code that identifies your property. The tracking ID is usually in the format of UAXXXXXX. You need to install this code on your website to start tracking data. To install the tracking code, you can use a tag management system like Google Tag Manager, or you can manually add the code to your website. If you are using a content management system like WordPress, you can use a plugin to install the tracking code. After installing the tracking code, you need to verify your website ownership with Google Analytics. This is a security measure to ensure that you are the owner of the website. You can verify your website ownership by uploading an HTML file to your website or by using a meta tag. Once you have verified your website ownership, you can start tracking data in Google Analytics. You can view your data in the Reports tab, where you can see metrics such as page views, bounce rate, and conversion rate. It is also important to set up goals and events in Google Analytics to track specific actions on your website. Goals represent conversions or completed actions on your website, such as form submissions or purchases. Events represent specific actions on your website, such as button clicks or video plays. Finally, make sure to test your tracking code to ensure that it is working correctly. You can use the Google Analytics debugger to test your tracking code and view data in real time. In conclusion, migrating to Google Analytics Tracking ID is a straightforward process that requires creating a Google Analytics account, setting up a property, installing the tracking code, verifying website ownership, and setting up goals and events. By following these steps, you can start tracking and analyzing your online presence effectively and make data-driven decisions to improve your business.